Welcome to Feel the Life-Changing, where we delve into the transformative world of technology. Today, we're exploring the mysterious and often misunderstood realm of artificial intelligence, AI. Prepare to embark on an intriguing journey as we unveil 10 extraordinary aspects of AI that are reshaping our world, often hidden from the public eye. Picture a world where AI transcends its current capabilities, venturing into the realm of emotional intelligence. The development of AI is not just about machines performing tasks, it's evolving to understand and respond to human emotions. Imagine an AI that can sense your mood swings, empathize with your feelings, and react in a genuinely human way. The progress in this area is staggering. In labs across the globe, scientists are working relentlessly to bridge the gap between artificial and emotional intelligence, pushing AI into territories that were once exclusive to human beings. The implications of such advancements are vast and varied. How will AI, which understands emotions, change our interaction with technology? What new doors will it open in fields like mental health, customer service, or even companionship? This advancement is set to redefine the boundaries of what machines can achieve, making them not just tools but partners in our daily lives. Shifting gears, let's confront a growing concern: AI's potential for large-scale disinformation. In the era where data is king, the ability of AI to process and analyze vast amounts of information is unparalleled. But this power, if misused, can have dire consequences. AI can generate convincing fake news, manipulate social media narratives, and create misleading content that's hard to distinguish from the truth. The impact is profound and far-reaching. AI-driven disinformation can undermine democracies, incite social unrest, and distort public perception on critical issues like health, politics, and the environment. It's a digital battleground where AI is both the weapon and the player, reshaping the landscape of truth and trust. The fear of AI replacing human jobs has been a topic of concern for years. However, the reality is more complex than a simple replacement of human labor. AI is advancing into areas requiring cognitive skills and creative thinking. From writing articles to composing music and creating art to drafting legal documents, AI is proving its prowess in domains once thought safe from automation. This evolution is not just about job displacement, but about the transformation of the job market itself. New careers are emerging, existing roles are evolving, and the future workforce will need to adapt to a landscape where AI is a collaborator, not just a tool. Understanding this shift is crucial. By enhancing our skills, embracing lifelong learning, and adapting to new technologies, we can ensure our place in an AI-enhanced world. In the context of the global AI market, which is expected to reach staggering heights by 2025, our approach to this technology needs to be proactive and forward-thinking. The potential of AI is vast and varied, from revolutionizing healthcare with personalized medicine to transforming energy systems for a sustainable future. The key to thriving in this AI era is not just in the technology itself, but in our ability to harness it. We must become adept at leveraging AI for innovation, problem-solving, and advancing human progress. This is not a time for complacency, but for action. To explore, to experiment, and to lead in the unfolding narrative of AI. A critical yet often overlooked aspect of AI is its lack of emotional depth. AI at its core is a complex array of algorithms and data. It processes information, makes decisions, and even mimics human behavior. But it does so without feeling. AI doesn't experience joy, sadness, or love. It doesn't understand the nuances of human emotions or the moral complexities of our decisions. This raises pressing questions about our reliance on AI. Can we entrust AI with decisions that affect human lives? How do we ensure that AI aligns with our ethical standards and values? The conversation around AI's emotional and ethical capabilities is not just philosophical but crucial in shaping a future where technology enhances rather than undermines our humanity. The voices of concern among AI experts are growing louder and more urgent. It's not just about the potential of AI, but about the direction it's taking. The concept of an AI apocalypse, once relegated to the realms of science fiction, is now being discussed in serious academic and tech circles. This concern stems from AI's increasing autonomy and sophistication. Could AI evolve beyond our control? The potential for AI to make decisions that have irreversible impacts on society, the environment, and global stability is a real and present danger. This concern demands our attention, not as a distant possibility, but as an immediate imperative. Delving into the nature of large AI systems reveals a complexity that's hard to fathom. These systems are not merely collections of code and data. They are learning entities, absorbing information from countless sources and making connections at an unprecedented scale. They consume literature, analyze reports, and parse web content, developing an understanding that's both profound and limited. While they can generate human-like responses and insights, they lack true comprehension. This paradox raises important questions about our reliance on these systems. How do we discern the insights of AI from mere data regurgitation? How do we ensure that AI's conclusions are grounded in reality and beneficial for society? The aspect of surveillance in AI is both fascinating and alarming. Every digital action we take contributes to an intricate profile that AI uses to understand us. This understanding powers everything from personalized recommendations to targeted advertising, but it also raises concerns about privacy, autonomy, and control. Are we comfortable living in a world where our every move is tracked, analyzed, and used to predict our behavior? This digital surveillance has profound implications for our notion of freedom, privacy, and individuality. The debate around AI's sentience is more than just philosophical musing. It's a vital conversation about the nature of consciousness and the limits of artificial intelligence. While today's AI can mimic human behavior and learn from vast amounts of data, it lacks self-awareness and subjective experience. The journey from advanced algorithms to sentient beings is fraught with ethical, philosophical, and practical challenges. Recognizing the transition from AI as a tool to AI as an entity with consciousness would not only be difficult, but also transformative for our understanding of intelligence, both artificial and human. Finally, the adaptability of AI systems is a testament to their versatility. We've seen AI systems initially designed for specific tasks demonstrating remarkable flexibility. For instance, AI algorithms created for language translation are now adept at image recognition, and those developed for game playing are finding applications in complex problem-solving scenarios. This versatility opens up a world of possibilities, from improving healthcare diagnostics to enhancing environmental protection. It also underscores the importance of understanding and guiding AI's development. The future of AI is not just about what it can do, but about what we choose to do with it. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the world of artificial intelligence. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content from Feel the Life-Changing. Stay curious and engaged as we continue to explore the fantastic intersections of technology and everyday life.